So the first one we're going to do is coleño, which is, if you remember, the one where you bounce the stick on the string, so it makes this like cool percussive sound. So after I have all of these different toolbars, and from this menu, you're going to need duration, rhythm, pitch, text, measure, ornament, and note. So make sure you click all of those things so we have access to the toolbars up here. So coleño, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to create my rhythms. And in this playback, you're not going to actually hear the percussive. Oh no, let's make it consistent. You are actually not going to hear the percussive coleño sound. But after you finish entering your notes, you're going to come back into here and you're going to find, oh, it's not even on here. You're going to find articulation. Oopsies. Articulation should now be up there. So look for this dot that is under articulation called staccato, okay? This is different from your rhythmic dot because this one's going to be changing like dotted quarter notes and dotted half notes and all that stuff. So you're going to go to articulation, find the staccato marking, and you're just going to you're going to select each note and you're going to do staccato like so. And you hear people in the background playing. This is much harder than I thought it would be. Okay, so next what you're going to do, because that just right by itself is just a staccato marking, but we want to make sure that we notate that it is coleño. So what you're going to do, you're going to come here under the text toolbar, and in class I might have shown you performance text, but I have a better one. Go to expressive text. You're going to select the first note in that measure, or whenever your coleño starts, and you're going to do expression text, and under here is where you put coleño, if you spell it correctly, like I did. And there you go. Ta-da! It's done. Now, glissando is a good one. I'm going to select my second measure. And in here, I'm going to have a big glissando. So I want to start my first note here. I actually want to make it a half note. And I want to have it come all the way up here. So I need to select which note I want to start my glissando on. So I'm going to start glissando here on my first note. And the purpose is to have it glissando all the way to that second one. So I come over to the ornament toolbar, find this button right here, which says glissando. Easy peasy. Done. Okay, now snap pizzicato, that is actually not anywhere in Noteflight. Noteflight doesn't have that capability. I don't know why, just it doesn't. So I'm going to show you how you can incorporate it. Again, come over here. You're going to find text and you're going to do snap pizzicato, or you do snap pits. And that'll tell us that we make a snap pitch for that entire measure. Okay, my next technique I want to show you is tremolo. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to enter in a note. I want to make it a whole note. Why not? And I need to make sure that that note is selected as orange and come over to, oh, where did it go? To rhythm. Now you see that we have tremolo 1. That's actually going to turn it to 8th notes. Tremolo 2 turns it to 16th notes. Tremolo 3 is technically 32nd notes, but for the purpose of today, that's my tremolo. And then the last one, bowing behind the bridge. So on this measure, I'm going to select my open strings that I usually do. So here's my 2 D strings, and then here's 2 A strings. Okay, so in order to make it a percussive, non-pitched note, I want to actually turn these note heads into an X. So I'm going to select the note head that I want to do, come here under note, and then find the one that has the cross right there. It turns it into cross, little X. Again, this is a way to notate something not being pitched, but in the string world, it's the reason it's on these lines and spaces is because that's the string that you're going to bow behind to notate that. So I'm going to come back over here. On my expressive text, once again, I'm going to put bow behind bridge. There you go. And that is how you do all of these sound effects in here. Congratulations! You are an awesome composer.